Hey guys, if you're having a problem with your Turtle Beach 700 Stealths for Xbox One, this is what you want to do. If your Turtle Beach 700s simply just won't turn on, try to do the software update on a computer that has Windows 7 and up or Mac. You want to download the app, and if your Turtle Beach is simply won't turn on, what you want to do is you want to plug it in. First, plugging it into your USB cable into that headphones, and then you want to plug it in the USB into the back of your computer, and then holding the superhuman hearing button while plugging it in, and it should automatically skip the steps if you're holding the superhuman hearing. And if you're having the problem where they turn on red and then go to green, they blink green, I simply have not found a problem or a solution to this for mine, so I simply just had to send it back in, and you had to go to the Turtle Beach support page, and enter in all your stuff, make sure it's all right, and then for the problem you want to select other, and just contact them, and they should get back to you, and you should be speaking to someone. He'll try to run you through some steps, but if you're having the problem again where it turns on red, blinks red, and then blinks green and fades out, that superhuman hearing button thing will not work, because once it gets to applying update, or almost to the end of the update for the Turtle Beaches, they'll simply turn on and then turn back off, and the whole thing gets screwed up, and it just simply does not work. So I just said that they were not working. I went through all the steps, and they're really good about it, and they sent an email with the postage, and all you had to do was print it out and put it on, get a box and put them in, and bring it to the FedEx place and send them. And then they'll send you a new pair or refurbished pair, and that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.